A nice background, sir.
EMS not came.
Online.
Actually, we have to remove online, no?
Why, sir?
They're not coming offline.
What to do? Like if other than students, like. Ulang green, comedy, class karen class bagi, dan mereka mana? Itu dia I need 2 times. I need balance the first.
So, very good evening for everyone, offline and online students.
Good evening, sir.
Once we'll look the Monday CPT syllabus, right? Okay, this is our March 14th next CPT portion. 50% energy and dynamics of simple harmonic motion and angular oscillations. 20% wave equation and 30% speed of the transverse wave. Okay.
Electromagnetic waves. We started, sir.
Who started?
In our school, 12th question.
Wave optics completed, huh?
Electromagnetic waves, sir. After AC circuits.
Oh. Think they will complete BTech also. BTech first year, BTech second year also, I think. Okay. So today I will explain wave equation concept. Tomorrow I think tomorrow, day after tomorrow, speed of transverse wave it will take.
Then we can do Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we do
Numericals. Yes.
on all the data picture.
Okay. Now someone tell me what is a wave actually? Tell me.
Wave is a form of disturbance.
Very good, correct one. Form of disturbance. Next. Vishal, I think your syllabus is completed nicely in your school. Definitely, I am highly confident you will answer this waves. Stylus, pen, pen. It is not there.
Just forget. Wave is
Okay. Tell me, Vishal, what is the wave?
is a form of disturbance.
Right now, I am speaking continuously.
Yes, sir.
I am speaking and you are hearing. Some energy I am delivering. If I speak continuously few days, like 3 months, 4 months without eating food, without this thing, will I am alive? No. Why? Definitely, I'm speaking means on my lungs, I'm using my more lungs power. I'm burning calories. Correct? So means what I'm trying to tell, I'm delivering some energy. Are you understanding? Delivering energy means not only lifting big stones and cutting woods. Not only that energy. Right now, continuously speaking also, I am consuming more amount of energy. That energy in your brain storing in the form of electrical energy or electrical signals. Correct or not? Then right now, one example, see, this is mobile phone. I displace it from one place to another place. Who displaced the mobile? What is your answer? Me. Undoubtedly, I am only displacing. Now, who transferred my energy to your energy, to your body, to your brain? The answer is wave. But the answer? Wave. Here, wave is acting like a coolie. Coolie, you know? Coolie, you know? In Tamil also coolie, na? Portal is there, na? Porter. In train, in railway station, air porters are there, na? It is acting like a one porter. What is the role of the porter? He will shift the luggage from your aeroplane to your this car or like that, na? Same way, the wave is taking the energy from source of the wave to observer. In the language of wave, who am I right now? Who am I? I am the source of the wave. You are listener. You are observer or listener or screen. In case of light waves, I am talking screen. Every wall, every floor is acting like a screen. I am producing what kind of waves right now? Sound waves only, na? What a role of the sound wave? They will carry the energy, my energy, to dropping into your body. Correct or not? What is the evidence? What, sir? You did not give any energy, sir. What is the proof? Means after 30 years also, what I am telling you will explain. That energy is stored in the form of electrical signals. Understood? Your brain, one small units are containing neurons. Neuron is the energy storage device. Here, how pen drivers, how storage devices are there, hard disk, pen driver, etc. How they are storing the energy, I mean information. Information also energy, na? Correct or not? So that energy storing in the form of electrical signal. Who is the transporter of this energy? Wave. I have taken the mobile from here to here. The mobile is having some energy. More than that, I should have more energy, na? Are you understanding my point? Correct or not? So in this chapter, we will discuss what is wave, what is the role of the wave, what is the energy of the wave, what is the kinetic energy of the wave, what is the potential energy of the wave, what is the power of the wave, what are all properties of the wave like power, intensity, momentum. About everything we are going to discuss. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
First of all, to study something, you have to obtain one equation. Correct or not? To study simple harmonic oscillator, we grabbed one equation. Na?
Yes, sir.
What is that equation? Y is equal to A into sine omega t plus pi, or X equal to A cosine omega t plus pi. After that only our discussion is very easier. Same way here also, what I have to do? One wave equation I have to create. Correct or not? But now, can you watch the wave? What is the problem here? Ground level practical problem. You cannot see the wave. When I am talking in VFX and in any digital graphics are coming up from my mouth, can you see the wave? No, you cannot see the wave. Only you can feel it. Wave, only you can feel its momentum. You can feel its energy. That's all. Understood? Tsunami is there. It is a wave only, na? What is tsunami? Largest wave. Largest wave produced in the water is called tsunami. Permanently, water is settled on the land. During the tsunami, huge amount of water is accumulated on the land. Is it permanent? Again, it will go back to its original position. Same way here also, during the transportation of the energy, what is the medium here in the tsunami? Every water particle is acting like a medium. Who is the producer of energy? Earthquake or volcanic eruption under the ocean is the source of energy, na? Correct or not? Big kinetic energy given. Understood? Then who is transporting that energy? Medium particles only, na? Understood? Here one important point, when wave is propagating, there is no displacement of the medium. There is no permanent displacement of the medium. Are you understanding? Once I stopped producing wave, again that medium will come back to its original position. Are you understanding? Right now, anyway, for your visualization, you have to see the wave, na? Without seeing wave, how will you write wave equation? Correct or not? Can you tell some plans how to produce wave equations, both of you? Everyone, not both of you. Srinidhi, Jiva, and Vishal, many are there. Balraman, Aaron, Nivasini. Tell me one plan in your day-to-day life. Can you produce any waves? Knowingly, unknowingly, you produced every day many waves. Example, a maid when washing clothes, while drying clothes, she will give the jerk to the cloth. Say yes or no? Then, knowingly, unknowingly, she produced some waves in the cloth. Guitarist, musical instrument players like guitar player, violin player, some musicians, continuously they are producing waves in the strings. Say yes or no? So, if you want to write wave equation, first of all, we have to see the equation, see the wave. So for your visualization, I'm taking one very long string or rope or cord or wire, and I attach it to the one rigid wall, and other end I'm keeping in my hand. If my hand, one oscillation completed, by the time one wave it will produce. Say yes or no? Correct or not? Again, I am repeating strand. This statement is very important. If my hand completed one oscillation, how many waves is that I produced? One wave. In which direction it is going? Right side, towards the boundary, towards the wall it will go. If my hand is doing continuously 100 oscillations, how many waves I am producing? 100 waves it will produce. Means one simple harmonic oscillation is the source of production of wave, na? Are you understanding? Say yes or no? In simple harmonic motion, how we correlated to uniform circular motion, to understand this wave motion, It is correlated with what? Simple harmonic motion only, na? Without this simple harmonic oscillations, can you produce the wave? No, no. Right now, I am also producing sound waves. When you are speaking, if you keep your finger on your, what is this? Vocal cords. You can see the vibrations, na?
Yes, sir.
Mean those are small, simple harmonic oscillations only, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Vocal cord means it is a muscular tissue in your throat. Means for any production of wave, something should oscillate. Say yes or no?
Yes, yes.
From sun we are getting electromagnetic waves. Why? The electron is doing oscillation from higher state to lower state to higher state. Then only we are getting this electromagnetic waves. So what is the source of what is the reason for production of any kind of wave? Simple harmonic oscillations. Correct or not? So our work is very easy. Why? Already we are very strong in simple harmonic oscillations. We know all equations, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Now, for suppose, for correct analysis, compulsory frame of reference is important, na? What a frame of reference? This is origin. And what is this? X-axis. And what is this? Positive y-axis. For more understanding, this is only one full wave, na? Look here, my hand went down, went upside, again came down, again went down, and again came. One full oscillation completed, na?
Yes, sir.
Means one full wave it is produced. If you see the snapshot of full wave, it will be like this only, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here the wave is going in which direction? Right side it is going. But that string particles or medium particles are vibrating in which direction? Up and down only, na? Correct or not? Say yes or no? To produce that waves, how will you oscillate your hand? Like this or like this? Like this or like this? Perpendicular to wave only, na?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding the concept? Means all particles motion, if you take this particle, it is vibrating or it is doing simple harmonic oscillation between upper extreme position and lower extreme position only, na? Please say yes or no. Everybody. Correct or not? Means here particle motion, particle oscillations are residing on the y-axis, but wave motion on x-axis. So that kind of waves in which wave motion is perpendicular to particle motion is called transverse waves. Which waves? Transverse waves. What is the meaning of the transverse waves? It is nothing but perpendicular waves. Perpendicular waves. Correct or not? What are the waves? Perpendicular waves. Transverse meaning only perpendicular. Are you understanding, student? For example, when you produced wave, one wave means one crest and one trough. This convex shape is called crest and concave shape is called what here? Trough. Trough. This is what then? This is what?
R-O-U-D-H. What will spell it, sir?
Trough.
R-O-U-D-H.
Then this is spell it?
True.
Truff, no? Correct or not?
R-O-U-D-H. You spell, sir.
R-O-U-D-H. Rough.
Rough.
Actually, this is rough. Actually, they're English speakers, English native speakers. We are pronouncing rough. When they are pronouncing, you will not hear f.
Then they are right, sir.
No. Rough only. That f sound you cannot hear. Tro only, I think better. Tro. Okay, that does not matter. Concept understanding matter. I will not object you. You can call truff also. But for me, very difficult to pronounce like that. I will call tro only. Okay. Don't please force me. Should pronounce truff. Okay. Tro. We are Indians. We can speak English like anything. No limitations. No holds bar. Understood? Clear? So anyway, where this for better experience, instead of full wave, I will take only half wave. I will take. Which wave? Only this positive cycle I will take. One full wave is nothing but what? One positive cycle plus one negative cycle. One crest and one trough together is called one full wave. The length of this full wave is called lambda, wavelength. Lambda is called what here? Wavelength. Understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, for suppose when time equal to 0, just my hand completed half oscillation. What? I just completed half oscillation. Half oscillation means full oscillation I did not complete. Are you understanding? How I did my hand? Up, down, that's all. So how many oscillations I produced?
Half.
Respond, half oscillation. So one crest only I produced. No, if I did like this, see this my hand. Listen, Vishal. See my hand. I holded the rope. I did like this. It went down, again came up. Tell me. Then one row will be produced. That is my choice. Right now, I produced one crust. Clear? One crust. At what time? When time equal to 0. Experimentally, it is proved that every wave has constant speed. It is a proven one only. Just like particle velocity, it will not change. Any particle in simple harmonic oscillation speed changes, na? Correct or not? But wave speed always constant. I'll write that point. Very, very important note. Wave speed is always constant. Wave speed constant. Always. Then explain after t seconds where wave will travel. Respond where wave will travel. Let's say after t seconds, wave will travel here. At which point? At position P it will travel. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Means what a distance traveled by the wave? X equal to velocity of the wave into time taken. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
When the, for suppose, when the wave is at this position at point P, you have to concentrate only on the medium particle. Are you understanding? This point is very important. I am focusing on this medium particle P. What I am focusing? The medium particle P I am focusing. Earlier, before propagation of the wave, where was that medium particle? It was here only, na? On the x-axis only, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? When the wave went through that particle P, what it made? Respond, right? Student, this waves concept is with a high focus, you have to listen. If you neglect it is a last lesson means you are going to pay a huge price in your JEE mains and advance also. Why? Heavyweight chapter. Why? Directly, indirectly, oscillations, waves, electromagnetic waves, wave optics, alternating current. 5 chapter. 5 chapter means am and average, 1 question per chapter. If you take minimum 5, maximum 10 questions will come. Total in your physics, 30 questions only there. Okay, not 5, not 10. 7 questions coming. Also, how many marks? 7 4 are 28 marks. Are you understanding? Please focus more. Are you understanding? Okay, any doubt, stop me and please be interactive. Okay. Now tell me, when the wave is propagating that medium particle, you have to concentrate on that medium particle. Before wave propagating, where was that particle? On the x-axis only, na? So because of wave motion, it displaced upside only, na? Means I want to find the position of the wave only, na? Wave equation meaning what, right? Oscillator equation means position of that oscillator only, na? Means what is the meaning of the wave equation? Position of the wave only. Means the position of the wave correlated with the position of that particle, na? Somewhat with the magnified diagram I will draw now. You people try to understand. See this. See this wave is there. After how many seconds? After t seconds, wave is here. Understood? Now see this particle P. The particle is at x1 meter, but its vertical position is y1 meter. Are you understanding or not understanding? You take another particle Q, its horizontal position is x2 means vertical position is y2. Here also, students, the position of the wave, position of the particle, again correlated, no? Understood or not understood? Means as you directly correlated with particle, directly I will write particle equation only. Are you understanding? Say yes or no? If you take any this particle, you take any particle S, which is a distance what? X meter, it is at Y meter, na? Throughout its lifetime, it is oscillating on the Y axis only. Means instead of wave equation, shall I take particle equation? You confirm that. As you cannot see wave, we are directly correlating with what? Particle. So shall I write like this? Y is equal to A into sine of omega t plus pi. Shall I write? Say yes or no? This is only called a wave equation. But seriously, something is missing, na? Look here. Watch the equation. Wave equation means actually position of the wave should be there. Which is missing? X is missing, na? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Without X, without discussing position of the wave, our discussion is totally waste. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Our entire discussion is waste. So we should not confirm this as a wave equation. Some more modification, alteration I have to do. For that, see this analysis. What is this OX? Tell me. What is OX? Rope as well as x-axis. Correct or not? What is this? Please respond. What is this? I am asking you. Think and tell what is this?
Wave at t equal to 0.
That is wave, right? Jiva?
Half wave.
Very good. Half wave. Understood? For that, how I produced that half wave, or how I produced that positive cycle, or how I produced the crest? Tell me. Simple question, no? Your hand should go half of the oscillation. Understood? So after some t seconds, where it will be? After some t seconds, it will be like this only in a wave.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So, for suppose this is in t seconds, the peak, P means what? Peak of the wave traveled from P to P prime. Tell me what is the distance traveled by this peak? Right now, wave is going in which direction? Right direction. What the VW means? Velocity of wave. Be careful, not velocity of particle. Velocity of wave. Velocity of a wave here. Say yes or no. Tell me what is the distance between P and P prime, shortest distance? If you tell only, I will write. V into T, no re. Distance traveled by wave equal to velocity into time only, na? No, don't know. So V into T. Correct? Now, I want to know one particle. For example, I am taking this another particle. Some Q is there. This particle is at a distance x. Okay. Where it is, what is the condition after t seconds? It went from Q to Q prime, na? Understanding or not understanding? That particle Q concentrate, initially that particle is at Q position. After t seconds, where that particle has gone? Q prime, na? Means this Q prime particle position earlier played the role by this another particle R only, no? Again, I am repeating this point. After t seconds, how the Q prime particle playing the role at a time equal to 0, R particle is at the same position, na? Are you understanding or not understanding? Say yes or no? Means as X is changing, the Y also changes, na? This Y. Right now, if you look at this R particle, this is nothing but X minus Vt only, na? T seconds ago, what is the situation of R? After t seconds, situation of Q prime, both are same only, na?
Yes, sir.
This point is very important. Again, please try to understand. T seconds ago, t seconds before, what is the situation of particle R? What is the situation of medium particle R? After t seconds, situation of medium particle Q prime, both are same only, na? Please say yes or no.
Sir, can you explain?
R is at here, no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Then Q prime also here, na?
Yes, sir. At t equal to 0, R is
At t equal to R, if it is 1 centimeter, no?
yes.
Now after t seconds, Q prime also at 1 centimeter, I am telling.
Then
Another particle.
After the t seconds, R would go to R prime position, like that, sir. Or it will stay in that same position.
R is throughout its lifetime, it is doing oscillations.
No, sir, it goes to R prime position, or it stays in that same R itself.
R prime.
No, sir, you have written Q to Q prime, no, sir.
Ah.
At t equal to 0, Q at t equal to Q prime. You wrote at t equal to 0, R, and t implies Q prime with you wrote, sir. That only, sir, I cannot understand.
It's very simple, yaar. Actually, it's somewhat high concentration. You have to listen. Very simple. See, this is the one wave, na?
Yes, sir.
One wave. This is after t seconds, na situation.
Yes, sir.
So t seconds, na? This is this particle. For suppose p is there. This is at time equal to 0 seconds, na?
Yes, sir.
Then after some time, who is playing the role? Same q particle also playing the same role now after t seconds.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not?
That height you are saying, sir.
Same height, na?
Okay.
Maybe now same only. Now it is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
After at the t seconds, how the medium particle q is playing the, which is at the vertical position same. Particle p also before t seconds. I mean initially it is at the same location, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Means particle q we are analyzing x. This is vt. Here to here, this peak distances between two peaks is nothing but what? Vt. Means this y depends on this x minus vt only, no? This x minus vt location only, no?
Yes, sir.
If x minus vt changes, y also changes. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
If after time t seconds, where it will be? The y will go upside only, no?
Yes, sir.
Still, if you have doubt, see, check it. After some time, this q particle will be going definitely this side, no? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
The q particle only I am talking, it shifted from q to q prime. Means clear cut you are understanding why vertical position depends on this x minus vt as a function of x minus vt. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Means already we got simple harmonic wave, simple harmonic oscillation equation. What is that? A into sine of omega t plus pi, na? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then you have to what is say convert into in this format. But in the place of v, which thing is there? Omega is there, na?
Yes, sir.
So I can write here omega t. For that, on either side, I will multiply with k, and here I will multiply with k.
Yes, sir.
That is my right, no? Correct or not? For dimensional consistency, for every term I am multiplying with k. So y is equal to what I can write? Function of kx minus k into v into t I can write, na? Why? Because here omega into t is there. Compulsory I have to make omega into t. So k into v is nothing but what here? Omega I can write. If k is called here wave constant or wave number. What is the k is equal to? K equal to omega by v. It is called wave number. Wave number. Wave number is nothing but number of waves accommodated in 1 meter is called wave number. This formula you have to remember, everyone. Understood? So hereafter we have to include what? Kx minus omega into t. Means any wave which is going right side means kx minus omega t I have to write. Are you understanding or not understanding, everyone? Correct or not? So I will write that what is y equal to hereafter a into sine of kx minus omega into t plus pi. This is called a wave equation. Wave equation for which wave is going in which direction? Wave is going in which direction, ma? In positive x-axis. This wave is traveling in the positive x-axis, now Vishal. Then vice versa also true, no? Vice versa means if wave is going left side, in the place of kx minus omega t, what I have to put? Kx plus omega t, na?
Yes, sir.
Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Just sign alone will be changed. Okay. Some questions I will ask you, people have to answer. One should know this skill, very, very important skill. Till your completion of education, this skill is very, very important. Judging of the wave equation, everyone should learn. Now I will ask some questions. See, this is one frame of reference. One wave is here. You are concentrating on one particle P, which is a distance x meter. The particle is at y meter after t seconds. Wave is going along y axis. Now tell me what the wave equation? Same, no? Y is equal to a into sine of kx minus omega t plus pi. Now one more case. Same wave, same particle P at a horizontal position x meter, vertical position y meter. At what time? T seconds. But this time wave is going left side. How will you write the equation, wave equation? A into sine of how much? Plus omega t plus pi. Understood or not understood, everyone? One more question I will give. This time you have to do it. Are you ready? Seriously ready? This is one wave is going right side. One particle P is there at a distance minus x. Now tell me what is the wave equation? A? Very good, minus x. This time our wave is at on the negative x side. So what is the wave equation? A into sine of k into minus x. Very good, minus omega t plus pi. Clear or not clear, everyone? Now see this wave. Now the wave is going left side. Now you people tell me. Very good. A into sine of how much? K minus x plus omega t plus pi. I hope everyone understood. Few more cases also there. Now you people tell me, what is this? What is this? How will you write this wave equation? Shabash. Y is equal to how much? Minus a. Here amplitude is plus a, na? In all the cases, crest cases, positive half cycle cases. Correct or not? So here you should come minus a. Very good. Sine. Very good. K plus x minus omega t plus, sorry, plus omega t plus pi. Sometimes I will conduct a test, intermittent test. You have to understood. You have to alert. I will next one more. Shall I write also like this? With your permission, shall I write like this also? A sine kx plus omega t plus pi. Shall I write with your permission? Does it make any difference? Minus sine theta means sine theta plus pi, na? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So this representation also you can use. Clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
For your strengthening your concepts, one question I will give. You people have to do it, and it should be correct. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Shall I give?
Yes, sir.
Hey, did you take permission? Like rowdy, you are coming? Huh? I'm scolding is laughing. See. Come. Right. Write the wave equation. Okay, try that. What a wave equation.
The wave equation is minus a sin kx plus omega. Minus a sin kx minus omega t.
Hey, this is Z frame, Ray. Z frame. So Z equal to this pos Z na plus a sine of k plus x minus omega t plus pi.
How is plus omega?
Plus omega. Na.
Z-axis now. Okay. There you have kx minus plus omega t. And y-axis. Different cases. Only for any special. Sir, if it is negative also, something will be negative or yeah.
I did not understand your question.
Sir, here you have written a is equal to a sin kx plus omega t plus pi, sir.
Which one? Yeah, once again go. Step up.
Something will be negative, sir. Either kx or omega t.
It is wave is going left side. Okay, so sir. Plus omega t I put, no?
In the direction opposite direction. Minus omega t வருமா இந்த பக்கம் வரதுனால plus omega t அதே இந்த பக்கம் வரதுனால minus kx வந்து நமக்கு மைனஸ் வந்துருக்கு minus here you wrote the c sir kx minus omega t
wave is going right side means minus omega t.
Okay sir. அதே இங்க பாருங்க இதே மாதிரி இங்க போறதுனால plus omega போட்டுருக்காரு x வந்து minus போட்டுருக்காரு. Now omega t you have to measure with respect to x sir or with the wave position. Velocity is measure பண்ணுவீங்க.
Yes. Velocity direction is determining minus omega direction.
Then it is in this minus plus omega t only we should come out.
Hut. Any wave is going right side means x minus vt na function. Minus vt will come, no?
Function x minus vt. T minus x by v.
After going to house, if you open the book means
is equal to function of x minus vt. Yes sir.
Okay, stand. Tomorrow we'll meet. Thank you. Bye.